Wonder if it's on. Hi, hi everybody. This is your old pal. Hi folks. This is your old pal Uncle Al, and this video is for Mamabear Prepping and the Vineyard Chicks. You see, still got the shirt. Just old Uncle Al. Isn't that crazy? A lot of people look at old Uncle Al, and I've been studying the Texas, whatchamacallit, winter storm and seeing all the young people and millennials going and doing TikToks. And, you know, I don't think you good guys like Dad on YouTube's weakest generation. No, it's the most stupidest generation in history. Uncle Alan's the old, crazy old kook, but Uncle Alan's have style. And most of you be, I'm cold. Yeah, because you don't insulate your damn apartments. You know, they're built like, oh, it's a desert out there. Don't care. Because you're all of you is stupid. But Uncle Alan's smart. And both Mamabear Prepping and the Vineyard Chicks, they live in cold climates. Uncle Alan's been all over the place. And here's some cooking things for apartment dwellers. Now, if Uncle Alan's been living in an apartment, you hear, wait, we've been out of power for a day, and I hear Dean Martin and this wonderful aroma. And how come you got power? Because Uncle Alan's smart and knows what he's doing. Well, we're mad and we're hungry and we're going to, oh, what the hell's that? Chicago typewriter. Do you have a problem? Oh, no, sir. We're leaving now. Okay. Uncle Alan, what they smell was wonderful fondue. And fondue is usually a chocolate or cheese sauce or a fruit sauce, hot. And you cook it and you make a wonderful, see that, with cast iron, dipping pot that you could do crispy vegetables. You could fry vegetables in oil. With what? Okay, that's a chafing dish. Or you could get a fondue pot. We're showing this first because a lot of people look at old Uncle Al. Uncle Al's kind of nuts. So what? This is what I bought. You look at the price. They're $3.50 at our local church sale. And what did Uncle Alan get? Well, I'm going to show you. I got a liquid, okay, Sterno stove. You put Sterno in here, liquid Sterno, or you can take a canned Sterno, like I showed before, and presto. And it comes with, for $3.50, also, to put it out. Amazing, for $3.50. But people thought, well, nobody does fondue, Uncle Alan. Well, that's why Uncle Alan's smart and y'all stupid. Okay? This whole set, again, with stand, everything pots down, $3.50. So this fits right here. Whoops. Oh, I took off the cover, but right there. And that puts out the flame. Easiest pie. Not rocket science, folks. And people are still wondering, well, why do I need that? It's a stove for $3.50. Okay, you're burning liquid Sterno. Oh, wow, Uncle Alan, I could boil water. I could make coffee. Duh. Only one video out of 100. Guy puts, he was using one of these and puts boiling water into what? A thermos. Everybody else were using aluminum plates and pie pans God knows what. I think they're all drug addicts in Texas. Probably cooking meth or something. Like Breaking Bad. Okay. And yes, I do have little stirrers to make, because I always freeze a couple baguettes in there. To hold hot water. Whoops, that's why I put carpet there, folks. To hold hot water, have thermoses. I have the big green one, but it's not back because my nephew took it. Okay? So you can do the same thing with chafing dishes. Melt water or heat food. And then I got to do one for Bob too. People don't understand, we don't use this in the Air Force. Chafing dishes is just a bath water or warmer. Okay? But you could use it as a stove right here. See? Since my Air Force days in the 70s. Okay? Not rocket science. Back then I only paid like $2.30. Now it's like 12 bucks. Not rocket science, folks. Fairly easy. Okay? Buy a couple cases of this. Put it away. Put the Sterno stove away. Put the fondue set thing away. And people, what do you got there? And you tell them, it's a fondue set. And you cut up some baguettes and you dip some cheese in it or chocolate. Have some fruits, some cocktails. And your friends, oh, Uncle Alan's normal. Like hell I am. Okay? You guys don't think out of the box. Uncle Alan's thinking 24/7. And anybody doesn't have road flares or a siphon hose in the back of their trunk needs their head examined. Okay? You have to think on your feet. A lot of the MacGyver jury rigs I've been watching on these videos are sad. Okay? If I'm right, in the second wave, the Texas Snow Apocalypse Part 2 hits. If Uncle Alan's in Texas, like, gee, what's wrong with Liberty Garden? He froze to death. And his cows froze to death. You know, Uncle Alan's did that, done that. I don't really care for it, but I know what I'm doing. Okay? Because Uncle Alan is tired. Right now, I want to lay down flat on my back because I can't take any more painkillers right now. And my doctor's mad at me. You can't do it. You're going to have surgery in a month. So I'm going a little crazy right now. Okay? A lot of you people don't think. I only saw out of 200 video blogs about the Texas snowstorm, only 2 people used a camp stove. 200 videos. Okay? 1 person had water. That was it. All right? You've got to get your act together. And I've seen people, I never eat these before. I packed the bug out bag. I don't know how to use it. I don't have any plans and I'm sitting in the car. 2 days later, I only have a quarter tank of gas and the pump ain't working. I have no place to go. All the hotels and motels are filled up. Okay? You know, if you live in an apartment, you should have some kind of form of heating element for food. Now, I'll cover separate on heating an apartment building. Now, that's with a kerosene heater or a portable wood stove. And a lot of you, I don't talk about it because a lot of you probably burn down the building and yourself. Okay? Because it takes art and you got to know what you're doing. If you don't know, you're going to burn down the damn building. All right? I've seen people, I'm burning charcoal inside of an apartment building. I'm like, are you F word, Steve? I'm tired. I'm trying not to curse, so I use Steve instead. Okay? I tell people go watch Corsair's Trainer. It's a really good channel. All right? You should have got a single burner propane or butane stove. Everybody who's a survivalist has one. Most prep are like, can I get wood so it'll be green? Stop watching Hubble's Cat. All right? I can make a stove out of 2 tin cans and a squirrel. Okay? Uncle Alan's tired. Uncle Alan's sick. That's why he wants to quit. It's totally about 3 years of this. Nobody watches my video. I don't really care. When it comes up, you come around, can you help us? Or you act like a cat on. You should share with, oh, what's that? Chicago typewriter. I don't believe in guns. Usually there be go, brap, brap. What, Karen? Okay, Uncle Alan's had it. Uncle Alan's tired and he's hurting like hell. Sorry about this, Vineyard Chicks. Sorry this, Tasha, Mamabear Prepping. But Uncle Alan's tired. I want to take a nap, but I'm waiting for certain people to stop by because they have to pick up food because I can't drive today. And I can't lift up these boxes for 2 elderly couples. The Ramirez's and the Sanchez. And they live a good 15 miles away from where I live. And these people are nice enough to drive in this heat. Okay, sorry this takes so long. But you got to think out of the box. You got to think fast. And you got to do in style. I'll be doing more clips on the Texas, whatchamacallit, Snow Armageddon. I'm going to do a separate playlist on it because a lot of you aren't ready for part 2. Now, me and my friends are arguing. I said if this second polar vortex comes down, everybody in a straight line hitting Texas all the way to Mexico City will be under snow. Now, what was Texas felt? That's what's going to be Mexico City. Rest of the country, from going up to Nebraska, all the way up to Canada, is going to be a straight line of snow. It's going to be, if it's bad, I pray to God I'm wrong. If it's bad, it'll be a year without a summer. Okay? You guys don't got your act together and they say, we'll do the Great Reset, we'll do the Grand Plan, get rid of all the CO2. And I'm going to look at these people and I'm like, you're nuts. All right? Listen to old Uncle Al. You better start preparing. You better not like, I got comforters and blankets. No, if you're in that zone, get a proper sleeping arrangement. Wear heavy clothes for winter. All right? I'm not wearing it because, one, it's 106 outside. I'm sweating my brains out. I just finished gardening 4 hours ago. That's why I feel like crap. Okay? Now, either side of this polar vortex, it'll be either very warm or dry, or it's going to be wet and tropical. Okay? We still got the numbers. Me and my friends are arguing. We almost came to blows on certain things. My friend has 2% warm and dry for Texas. I'm saying worse than what happened in February. And I got 5% lead on him. And we're doing the numbers right now. Because we're going to cut it close. Because you guys like, can't you do it on Google or on the phone? No! It's slide rules. Use your noggin. Stop using this kind of math. All right? Uncle Alan's tired. Uncle Alan's sleepy. Because I took a whole boatload of tranquilizer to kill the pain. He said, well, we can't give you prescription painkillers. Try these tranquilizers. Not working, folks. I'll catch you later. And this is for Vineyard Chicks. This is for Trey. Trey, you got to figure out a system to heat food. Okay? If you can't afford Sterno, find a can, fill it with cardboard and wax, and make a hobo stove out of it. look around your thrift store. You can pick one of these up. Because people are lazy and they don't understand. So good luck, Trey. I hope this helps you out. You can make your own folding Sterno stove, but you watch everybody else. Watch Dominic, watch Bruce's channel, because Uncle Alan's tired and I can't be yelling and screaming all the time. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day now, and I'll see you later.